How to recover my Zangi account. The first things first is, of course, we'll be proceeding to our last resort. So if you no longer have access to your account, then we'll have to coordinate with one of the technicians or the customer support from Zangi. Now you just have to use any preferred web browser on your end. In this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. So just head directly to your new tab, and then all you have to do is just simply type in zangi.com/contact. So this is going to be their official site for you to reach out on any problems or issues that you're having from their application. So in here, all you have to do is just to type in the name, the company if there is one, the email address associated with your Zangi account, and then the message. So on the message part, all you have to do is just simply to submit a request regarding the account that you have. So say for example, your account was blocked or your account was hacked. You just have to be specific on this part right here. Then once everything is sorted out, all I have to do is just to complete this small captcha right here and then just press on send. You'll just have to wait from Zangi customer support to get back to you once everything is sorted out. So that's it. That's the only way for you to be able to recover your Zangi account.